Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Isn't it lovely? Really simple, nice card. I've coloured these flowers all in using the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. So let's get started. We're going to start off with a little bit of stamping, and the stamps that I'm going to use is this one I've used a lot called All Night Thanks, and we're going to be stamping in the New In Colour Polished Pink. It's a lovely bright pink, really beautiful pink, I think so anyway. So there, and we just stamped it on a piece of Whisper White, or Basic White as it's called now. I can't get used to the new name, I'm so used to calling it Whisper White that I struggle, but I'm trying. So let's just give everything a little clean up, and then you can put it away. Okay, close up our ink pad. Now we're going to do some colouring, and this is the piece of designer series paper we're going to use, and this is the Beautifully Penned, and this is a free piece of paper you can get during celebration. So for every £45 you spend in the annual or mini catalogue, you can choose something for free in the celebrations catalogue, and the Beautiful Pen designer series paper is one of them. So I'm going to colour this in using polished pink, and I'm just going to do one little flower here with you now, and then I'll switch the camera off and do all the rest, but you don't need to see me doing exactly the same for everything. So I'm going to go in actually this time first with my dark colour, just where I think I want it, a little bit of dark like that, and then I'm going to take my light and just go over everything, and I'm going to use the bullet point or the pointy tip, because I just somehow find I have better control with that than the brush nib. But it's everybody to their own, whatever works for you. And I'm just blending the dark colour out as you go. Then of course if you want anything more you can add again. And then just use your light colour to blend it all out like that. So I'm going to continue to do that, and I'll come back when I've finished it all. Okay, so I've done my colouring in, as you can see. So now we're going to cut this into 3 panels of 4.6 centimetres each. So I'm going to do one here, and then I'm just going to turn it over and do the other one on the other side. So the centre one will be whatever's left. Okay, and just make sure you keep everything in orientation as much as possible. So we have that. So remove our trimmer, and then our card base is polished pink. So that's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then we're just going to stick our panels down. Trying to sort of keep an even border around each one. Yep. As you can see, this is quite simple, quite quick colouring. I haven't gone for too much shading, but I think it still looks really good. And centre panel, and I'm using Tombow so I can get a little bit of wiggle room when I'm putting this down to try and get things lined up as much as possible. So that's what we've got. Now our sentiment, last time I popped this up, this time I'm just going to leave it flat. I just battered onto some basic black cardstock, and we're just going to put this in the centre there, and our card is done. Really simple card. but really relaxing because I love colouring in. So there you go, they're the 2 cards. I hope you liked the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on my blog post, and that's on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye bye.